G'day, how you going? This is my quick look at the Dometic Waeco CFX100 fridge freezer, or fridge, or freezer. However you want it, that's how you can have this little number. Tough, lightweight, beautiful open and close action, and a great little rubber spot here for the tinny after a hard day in the outback. Pick it up from mygenerator.com.au up in Queensland. And I'll post overnight and it arrives down here the very next day on the Mornington Peninsula in Victoria. Anyway, have a cold one. Enjoy your Dometic Waeco CFX100 fridge, or freezer. Up to you. Take it easy. Good on ya.